Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is preparation of phenol. In this preparation of phenol, we have several methods, just like preparation from aniline, preparation from sulfonation of benzene, preparation from halobenzene, preparation from cumene, and preparation from phenol from RMGX, which is called Grignard reagent. Now see preparation of phenol from aniline. So here the first one, preparation of phenol from aniline. So aniline in acidic condition react with HCl to form benzene diazonium chloride. Aniline forms benzene diazonium chloride in acidic conditions. Further, benzene diazonium chloride react with luke water and form phenol. So again repeat it. Aniline react with HCl to form benzene diazonium chloride. It react with luke water to form phenol. So this one is first reaction. Next, preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. So first benzene react with oleum. So oleum is nothing but oleum, the mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4 is called oleum. H2S2O7 is a formula of oleum. So benzene react with oleum. It is a sulfonation of benzene. So benzene react with oleum and form benzene sulfonic acid. So these benzene sulfonic acid react with sodium hydroxide in acidic condition to form phenol. So this is a preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Now third one, preparation of phenol from halobenzene. So here halobenzene, it means on benzene ring, if the halogen is there, whether it is chlorine, bromine, iodine, this halobenzene react with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure and form sodium phenoxide. So this sodium phenoxide react with HCl to form phenol. Next preparation of phenol from cumene. So this one is cumene. Cumene in presence of air form cumene hydroperoxide. In acidic condition, it will form phenol and propanone. It is also known as acetone. So here cumene in a excess of air form cumene hydroperoxide. Further, it forms phenol and acetone. Next, finally, preparation of phenol from RMGX. RMGX means alkyl magnesium halide. In this, here instead of alkyl, if we take aryl group, aryl magnesium halide. So here this aryl magnesium halide react with excess of oxygen in presence of acidic condition to form phenol. So this is a preparation method of phenol from alkyl magnesium halide or aryl magnesium halide. Thank you very much for watching this video.